totally crazy, totally wacky film, and the idea is totally wacky, and that was the main reason for me to do this film.
Well, I'm shooting with one of my most favorite actors, Sharat Saxena. He was in our own film as well. So it's always a great pleasure shooting with him. It's a comic scene.
पिक्चर के एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर मिस्टर शाकिर खान और उनके राइटर मेरे घर आए और उन्होंने सब्जेक्ट सुनाया और सब्जेक्ट हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट्स अ टोटली क्रेजी, टोटली वैकी फिल्म, एंड द आइडिया इज टोटली वैकी, एंड दैट वाज द मेन रीज़न फॉर मी टू डू दिस फिल्म. मैंने कहा ऐसी पिक्चर में काम करेंगे नहीं तो फिर काय में काम करेंगे. नए लोग बना रहे हैं लेकिन कंसेप्ट बड़ा उम्दा है.
It's very hard to find something that really interests you and excites you. And I didn't want to come back. I didn't want to do something which didn't excite me, basically. I wanted to do a role which really is able to take out the actress in me, and I wanted to do something different from what I've done before. And this is totally different from what I've done before. I don't think the audience has seen me in this kind of role before. Well, I'm shooting with one of my most favorite actors, Sharat Saxena. He was in our own film as well. So it's always a great pleasure shooting with him. It's a comic scene. Somebody's going to shoot somebody, and I don't want somebody to shoot somebody. So, yeah, it's a funny scene.
95% of the film is over. Today we are doing shooting Sharat Saxena, and Preeti and the other cast is there also.
Character that I am playing is that of a very dumb don. Dons के साथ अक्सर dumb use नहीं होता है word, but this is a dumb don. He is a totally dumb don, and he thinks that he is very very intelligent. तो ये अपना कैरेक्टर है इस पिक्चर में. और ये डॉन कभी वीडियो गेम खेलता है, कभी किसी को गोली मार देता है, टिपिकल बम्बैया अंदाज से बात करता है. हिज थॉट प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो टोटली इररेशनल, और गर्म मिजाज का आदमी है. वेरी सीरियस मैन, बट ही इज अ टोटल डम्ब इडियट.
She's innocent. She's probably pretty young, and she has dreams. She sees film actors, and she sees them on the big screen. And she wants to be something like that. So yeah, she's young, innocent, bubbly, chirpy. Yeah, that's what she's like. If you want me to put it in a particular genre, I would say it's a realistic comedy. It's not a black comedy for sure. No one's going to get hurt.
ये फिल्म एक सटायर कॉमेडी है और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर ही एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग रोलर कोस्टर टाइप कॉमेडी बनी है.
It's outright comic satire, and I think writing a comic satire is very difficult. I mean, you have to keep in mind the comic aspect of the film as well as the satire. So it's very difficult writing. Anyway, I've done a lot of poetry of this kind. I've written a lot of satires also. So that's it. But this film is a outright comic satire.
I haven't worked with a female director before. I think Snehaji will be the first female director I'm working with. And I just want to say one thing about her. Of course, being a woman, you can connect with her, and she can connect with you, and she knows what emotions are, feelings are, and how to get the best, how to present a woman is something she knows very well. So that is one of the main points. And also, it's very rare to find a director who knows her script so well. Of course, she's written it herself, and she's written the dialogues herself. So she knows the script very intricately. So it's very easy for her to explain to each and every character how their reaction should be, what they should do. So when the director is so clear in their head, it's easy then.